Listen up! With back-to-school chaos, let the Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max take care of your home. Quiet nights and clean floors without lifting a finger. I love how it seamlessly dodges obstacles. Picture setting it loose while you finish homework. No bumps, just smooth sailing under sofas and chairs. Allergy season? No problem. Its powerful suction clears pet hair and dust like a breeze. My allergies haven't acted up since. Same price, now with free shipping. Perfect timing for a spotless start to the school year at $159.99. Don't wait! Click now to grab yours before they run out. Clean home, check a happy mindset. Happy shopping!